You guys want to know why I never finished? Why I never film myself while I'm writing is because it's just me in bed, in pajamas, and a robe or something, with a computer, and weird hair, and just... Yeah, mommy's talking while you try to nap. It's December 3rd. I will shut up in a second. He's like, it's too late, I'm up now. I'm gonna try and finish my article today. Yay. Too good for Taylor. She actually gets ready in the day. And look, it's a writing day, it's a work day and home day, whatever. Anyway, you would be right. Emma is too good for me. Look at what she did for me.
Oh, what a lovely holiday card. That's so nice she sent me that. Oh no, this was December 1st. December 2nd as Hanukkah began. December 3rd. And I opened December 4th because, I did. So, yeah. So, I'm excited about this. She just knows that I really love cards, and I keep all my cards. So, yes, this is exciting for me. Loving it. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. My lunch, which is just a spring mix salad, so it's arugula and spinach. Koshek's running around, and I got some cucumber on it. We didn't have any onion already chopped up, so I didn't want to bother with it. And then I have radish microgreens that I got at the farmer's market recently, which is cool because I really want to start growing microgreens. Hold on, let me go get a napkin. I really want to start growing microgreens, but I can't do that with good conscience, and not know how they taste. So I did try them. I do like them. Now I'm eating them. So I thought I would talk about why I feel like my house and my life are a mess right now, and that's because I'm finishing up my master's right now. So basically, I'm done on Friday. When I turn my last stuff in, which will be on Friday, I'm done. Obviously, it takes a while for the university to process things and send your diploma. God, donut. But otherwise, I've been working my ass off. Which, if you ask me in a month, I will tell you it wasn't hard at all. Because I have really bad, like, displacement of, like, work in my head. So, like, I could do something super hard, and, like, 2 weeks later, I will be like, no, that just, what the heck, that was so easy. And it's not because I'm whining in the moment. It really is that hard. I just have, like, some beliefs that if I can do it, well, then it must be super easy because I'm super inadequate, etc. And so, I've been working my ass off. I might as well just take my lipstick off, but I don't want to. And some things have slipped. Cleaning up things on a regular schedule. Making the bed, which is huge for me in my sleep. What else has slipped? Our mop broke. and I haven't bought a new one. And like, we sweep and I clean the floor with like on my hands and knees, but there's something that means like in my head, like I can't think that the floor is clean. There's something, I know what it is. I have obsessive compulsive disorder, but yeah, so I need to go get a new mop. So I think I'm going to be doing that today before class. I have everything packed up behind the camera. After I'm done eating, I will go, and then if I get home in time to spend some time here before class, I will. If not, I will just go downtown to the university and go to my last class of this class, which is also a terrifying thing because this is my last classroom setting class ever tonight. Class. Right? And like, a lot of people are like, yay! And I'm like, yay, but also really sad about it. Because it means, like, I've already gone through this once. I already thought I was done with school once. And maybe I'm stupid to think that I wouldn't go back for my PhD. Because I might. But, I don't know. It's just so up in the air right now. Or an MFA. I don't know. This is why I should write a list, because now I'm at 4 minutes and I don't really feel like editing this. But I probably won't have a lot of footage. Today's December 4th. So, this is the last day and I'm not doing a ton of stuff before it goes uploaded tomorrow. Our Advent activity last night was to watch Before Sunrise, which we didn't do. We would have had to rent it because all of the, not that I ever would get something illegal, but they were all kind of crappy and I didn't want to pay $3 for it because I know very little about it. Just that Griffin McElroy really likes it. So we just sat in bed and talked instead. I don't remember. I lost my list, so I don't remember what's going on tonight. So, I mean, aside from Hanukkah, which is back there, which I've been so bad at because I've been like yesterday we did it at the right time. Sunday we did not. Tonight, Tuesday, we will not because I will be at class when it's supposed to be lit. And I'm not missing it. And because I'm the one with the Jewish heritage, not my husband. He's half Mexican, which you probably won't see. You'll see. You obviously have seen Michael. You won't really see Nick. He's just not comfortable with it. He doesn't like being heard on camera. He doesn't like how he sounds. And like lots of other stuff. I'm also an intensely private person, but like I'm in control of the video. He's not, you know, so I get it. So yeah, that's really just a little chat to tell you my life is up in the air. Hopefully when I'm done with classes, my house will be better put together and organized. And I won't feel so gross. Who knows?
So I basically have a version of this that came out like, I probably got it about 10 years ago. But I really need like one of these, at least, because I am not a casual cook. But I'm here because I'm getting this. Finally, Nick and I have been ogling it for years. We have a coupon, we're getting it. I don't know if there was like a great sunlight in my eyes. That's what these are for. I don't know if there was a really good sale or something, but it actually ended up being a lot cheaper than I thought it was going to be, including with my coupon. So that makes me feel a little bit better. I've wanted one of these for so long, and I've never gotten it because of the price. One of these days. So it's the end of the night. I'm sitting here watching Nick play a video game. It was surprisingly hard to leave the classroom today. That sound would be Mango running around after his little sushi toy. I have a lot of feelings about things. And I'm just trying to have a good night. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Advent. I will see you immediately, but you will see me again on December 7th with some more content. So hopefully by then all of this stress stuff will be clearing up, right, Washi? All right. Happy Hanukkah, guys. And, yeah. Good night.